Most AI videos look impressive for a few seconds, but that's not what marketers actually need. A real marketing video needs a purpose. Maybe it needs to tell a story, maybe it needs to build a brand, or maybe it needs to help explain a product in a way that feels natural. So today I want to show you an AI tool that can help create three completely different types of marketing content: a narrative ad, a brand film, and a creator-style commerce video. This AI tool called Pippit is a marketing agent. You can find the link in the description below.
Curious how AI can actually simplify your daily work? You're in the right place. Here we break down powerful AI tools into simple, practical steps so you can save time, boost productivity, and create smarter without stress.
One challenge many creators and marketers face is that different marketing goals require different content styles. A story-driven ad isn't created the same way as a premium brand video, and neither of them looks like the product-focused content you see every day on social media. The interesting thing about Pippit AI is that it isn't focused on just generating random clips. It's designed to help create content that audiences genuinely engage with and buy into, while allowing faster iteration, multiple content variations for different marketing needs, and more efficient production with Seedance 2.0 Mini. So for this test, I'm creating three formats that businesses commonly use: a narrative ad, a brand film, and a creator-style commerce video. Let's start with the format I'm most excited about. The first format is a narrative ad. This is actually one of the most effective ways to capture attention because people naturally connect with stories. Instead of saying, "Here's a product, buy it," a narrative ad creates a situation where the product becomes part of a larger story. First, you can add your product on this section, then tell the story. For this example, I'm creating a simple story about the woman stuck for search idea to new launch product. She is tired about deadlines and pressure from the leader. Then she drink the energy, drink she get idea, move faster and more energetic for handle the project. The goal isn't to make the product the entire story. The goal is to make the product part of the story. Inside Pippit, I'm building the scenes, adjusting the visuals, and assembling the story structure. For this project, I'm using Seedance 2.0 Mini, which delivers quality similar to Seedance 2.0, but with lower credit usage, helping creators produce content more efficiently. One thing I like is that I can focus on the overall narrative rather than trying to manually create every single asset from scratch. The important part is maintaining a clear progression: challenge, struggle, solution, outcome. That's what keeps viewers watching. Now let's see the finished narrative ad.
Recharge your day.
What I like about this result is that it feels closer to content than a traditional advertisement. The story creates context, and because of that, the marketing message feels more natural. Instead of interrupting the viewer, the ad gives them something to follow. For me, this was the strongest format of the three because storytelling remains one of the most powerful tools in marketing. This is where Seedance Mini matters here. Next up is the brand film. This format is very different. A brand film isn't necessarily trying to drive an immediate purchase. Instead, it's focused on perception. How does the brand feel? What emotions does it create? What impression does it leave behind? For this example, I'm creating a premium lifestyle-focused brand video. The emphasis is on visual quality, mood, pacing, and presentation. Inside Pippit, I'm selecting assets and arranging scenes that feel cinematic and polished. Traditionally, creating a brand film like this would require a much larger production budget, professional equipment, and extensive editing. With Pippit's Seedance 2.0 Mini, it's possible to create high-quality cinematic content much more efficiently and at a lower cost. The goal isn't fast-paced social content, it's consistency. Every shot should support the same overall feeling. Let's see the final result. Compared to the narrative ad, this feels much more premium and visually driven. There's less focus on a specific story and more focus on creating a strong brand identity. If you're working with fashion, beauty, lifestyle, or luxury products, this format can be especially useful because presentation plays such an important role. The third format is creator-style commerce content. This is the type of content you see every day on platforms like YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram Reels. The style is more direct, more conversational, and usually more product-focused. Instead of cinematic storytelling, this UGC-style commerce content is commonly used in e-commerce, small businesses, and by affiliate creators for product promotion, where creators become the main connection point with the audience and often need to produce content for multiple products. With Seedance 2.0 Mini, they can easily test different products at a lower cost. For this example, I'm creating a short product-focused video with a simple structure: problem, demonstration, benefit, call to action. The goal is clarity and authenticity. Let's watch the final version.
Hitting a wall mid-workout. Zero crash. Pure energy. My new gym essential. Link in bio.
This format feels much more social first. It's easier to consume quickly and can work well when the goal is explaining a product in a straightforward way. With Pippit, you can scale content and produce it faster and more affordably. After testing all three formats, here's how I see them. Narrative ads are best when you want attention and emotional engagement. Brand films are best when you want to strengthen brand perception and visual identity. Creator-style commerce videos are best when you want direct communication and product clarity. And that's why I think the most interesting part of Pippit is its flexibility. Instead of focusing on only one style of content, it supports multiple marketing approaches depending on the goal. Personally, the narrative ad was my favorite because it felt the most memorable and engaging, but each format serves a different purpose. If you want to create higher performing marketing content with faster iteration, lower production effort, and the ability to produce multiple creative directions at once, Pippit helps you turn ideas into story-driven ads, brand films, and creator-style commerce videos in just a few steps. You can start creating more efficiently and at scale today using the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.